Hello guys! Magkikwento ako saglit. So, sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, siguro nakikita nyo ako or alam nyo na nag-church kami with my husband every Sunday. But recently, dun sa mga nakakasabay ko sa church, siguro napapansin nyo na hindi nyo na kami nakikita. Siguro two weeks na. Because I was really passionate about going to church every Sunday until I came across this verse, Exodus 20, particularly verse 4. You shall not make yourself a carved image or any likeness of anything that is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. So, ito yung nagpa-stop sa akin na pumunta or mag-attend sa church na sinasambahan namin ng asawa ko. Before, naririnig ko na to and in denial ako. Sinasabi ko, hindi ko naman sila sinasamba. Nagbabaw lang kami ng ganon because of respect. So yun yung lagi kong sinasabi. Pero ngayon na ako na ang nakapagbasa, I already saw it and I can't unsee it. So yun ang pagkakaintindi ko. And yun naman talaga literally, di ba? Literally and figuratively. So there's another one. Exodus 23, verses 24 to 26. You shall not bow down to their gods, nor serve them, nor do as they do. But you shall utterly overthrow them and break their pillars in pieces. You shall serve the Lord your God, and he will bless your bread and your water. And I will take sickness away from among you. None shall miscarry or be barren in your land. I will fulfill the number of your days. And madami pa siyang binanggit na magandang mangyayari at bibigay sa iyo. Ito is until verse 33. So yun, I just want to share these verses to you guys and you can check it yourself. You can read it and pray na yung Holy Spirit ay bigyan ka ng enlightenment while you're reading this.